and it's the opening goal. Well, joint quickest goal now because this is within the 3rd minute. What a drive. Tremendous. No chance whatsoever. That went like a bullet. Just a quick look at the standings and confirmation of the fact that if they can win, they can move across to first position. But at the moment, they'll have to defend this one. This is great work. Still an opportunity. The goalkeeper off his line, but the defender does his work. Perhaps that lack of confidence, just didn't know when to go for it. More like it from the visitors, and almost a chance there for Troy. But well defended yet again by Imran Warsi.
Are you ready?
Oh, that's beautifully done. What a strike there. That's what it's all about. Devinder Valmiki with the opening goal of the night for Mumbai Marines. And guess what? It comes through the penalty corner route and just past Imran Warsi as well. Just a while ago, we saw the goal scorer on the ball, Valmiki. He was manufacturing that attempt. And now this could be very, very interesting. It could still be quite interesting for the Marines. It is a goal in the end. That stray ball falling quite nicely for Anup Anthony, and he makes sure that he makes no mistake in slotting it past Jasbir Singh to give Mumbai Marines a 2-1 lead. Would you believe it?
Give good service to your midfield from there.
Now a chance. Oh, he slaps this one hard. Well, that could really have gone anywhere because Adam... Oh, we'll talk about that in just a while. Comes in variation work. Valmiki looking to work this one back in. Oh, and a fine finish by Ajmer Singh. And look at his celebration. Mumbai Marines on fire this evening in Chennai. But a fine finish from Ajmer Singh. He was at the right place, and this was clearly a sign of something that they've been working on. That's why that exuberant celebration.
He can't believe it. He can't believe it. But look.
This time the variation from Chennai comes back for Warsi. He swings at it but misses the ball, and in the meantime the whistle had already been blown. Looking to come in, could provide that, but Troy Sutherland, great stick work.
Move to the left. We didn't see that, but that's what he did.
He'll be the one pushing this one through. Valmiki slams it through, and now one gets the impression this could well be game, set, match Mumbai.
Well, cracket goal. And you know something? There are a lot of players in this competition can do exactly this. And I'd like to see more of that. I'd like to see the coaches use this free hit, this big hit like this. They're not expecting it.